What were you mixing, Sam?
Cookies.
You're mixing cookies?
This is a cookie.
Let's see, do we need more sugar?
I think that's icing, Sam.
Icing!
We need a little more sugar.
What?
Okay, I'll mix some more. Can I help you mix a little?
Huh? What's that noise? What's that noise?
The bowl on the pan.
Oh, I don't.
Okay.
Sam, be careful. Hold it with both hands. Thank you.
You don't want to let go of
The
those.
next one is this one.
Okay.
You take that next one. I want that to put on it.
Okay. I'm going to put on that one. How about some of, there you go.
How about one
We
of
put some sugar too.
the
Some
Right.
pink.
Oh, yes, pink.
Okay.
That's a couple.
Is that enough?
Yes.
Okay. I'll get another one ready for you. There you go. What do you want to put on that? Some of these sprinkles?
No.
The red and green and white? Good. Very nice.
Let me eat some.
Oh, okay. Got enough on that one?
That's biggest sprinkle.
How many cookies have you decorated, Sam?
12.
12 cookies?
No. Mr. Go.
You're going to put on one from your dish?
No. No.
No, no, no. Okay.
And that's done.
That one's done? Okay. Want some red for that one?
Oh, okay. No.
No?
3. Anyways, that put on.
Here's green. You want the green?
No.
No?
3. Lit. How about candy? Smush. Sprinkle. That's so pretty.
Very nice. Here, let's do a little more, okay? There. That one's done.
And